Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you the Wolf Pack by Forest River. This is a fifth wheel toy hauler. The model that I'm going to show you is the 325PACK13. This unit sells for $43,995. This is an all four fiberglass fifth wheel. Here you have your step above steps. You have a quick release gas connect. You have outdoor speakers. Nice big slide out. Let's have a look inside. Here you have a nice big sofa. "13-foot garage. You have a garage bunk. Pantry. Here's your TV area. Gas grill. High efficiency microwave. Glass cooktop. Roof vent, stainless steel. Here's your refrigerator. Lots of counter area. Nice big sleeping area, full walk around. Nice big shower. Handy. Once again, this is Kent Teslo from Optimum RV. You can reach me at 352-363-8615. Look forward to hearing from you.